In today's video, I'll show you how to switch and change the keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone using the latest 2026 Samsung One UI settings. If you want a better typing experience, faster predictions, stylish themes, or multilingual support, changing your keyboard is a great option. Go to the Settings app menu, scroll down and tap on General Management. In this section, look for Keyboard List and Default. On some Samsung devices, it may simply appear as keyboard depending on your software version. Now tap on Default Keyboard. You will see all keyboard apps currently installed on your phone. Select the keyboard you want to use. Popular options include Samsung Keyboard for native Samsung features, Gboard for Google voice typing and smart suggestions, or Microsoft Swift Key for advanced predictions and customization. If your preferred keyboard does not appear in the list, open the Google Play Store first and install it. After installation, return to the keyboard settings and enable it. Once selected, open any app like Messages, WhatsApp, Chrome, or Notes to test the new keyboard instantly. You can also customize keyboard settings such as themes, typing style, autocorrect, emoji suggestions, clipboard access, and multiple language support for a more personalized typing experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung Galaxy tutorials and Android tips.